Oh, hey, didn't see you there. Good morning, guys. Today, we're going to be working on the old race mower. It's a little stormy outside, so I had to bring her inside. I don't have a cover. And we're waking up right before we got to go work for the man. But I can't sleep at night anymore knowing that this thing's not running. So, we've got to work on it so that everyone can be happy and Maddie can ride around on it and I can do wheelies on it. And yeah, we're gonna check the spark, we're gonna check if the carburetor's working, and we're gonna show you guys how to do it. So grab a cup of coffee, it's still morning, so let's get to it. All right, first order of business. Pop the hood. See, like I said last time, we've got our Ever Forever start from the old Walmart. Got my battery clamps. And actually, let me get a light so I can show you down there. All right, we've got the portable sun now. So, you can see down there. Right there, you can see the spark plug. We're going to take that out. Check it out. And I'm going to unplug the other side and we'll give her a good old cranking and see if she's got spark. Here's what our plug looks like. Hard to tell because of the lighting, but she's looking a little bit dirty. Dirtier than that club that your dad goes to on Saturday nights. Oh, I wasn't supposed to be the one to tell you. All right, make sure your battery terminals are tight. Yep. So what we're going to do is we're going to make the fire popper ground on a metal part of the engine. So we've got the expensive tape holding on our fire popper, and we should be able to see spark if it's working. And our fire popper's working, so we've got fire. Let's put that back in and see if we can get it to stay running or start or whatever with some old fire breath. All right. We got the fire starter pushed down. We got our fire breath in hand. Let's see if old girl will fire up. Bestie's gonna make it, guys. So the fire breath helped, which means we got a problem with our carburetor. Or I'll show you guys up here. There's a fuel sucker upper on front of the carburetor, and a lot of times on these opposed twin engines, that's usually what will go out. So let's take a look at that and see what we can do. That was probably as good a time as any for a coffee break, so you guys go ahead and get one too. Oh, what's that? Oh, you got Colombian. That smells good. I like that. Oh, she brought something from Starbucks. That's okay. I prefer my own, but you know, if you want to pay $8 for a coffee, that's cool. Oh, this Great Value Donut Shop. Yeah, perfect. All right, we've taken this top plate off. Let me get my portable sun. There's our carburetor. And right here on the front, that square on the front, that's the fuel pump. So what I can do is we can take off this top plate of the carburetor and you can turn it over and see if that fuel sucker upper is bringing fuel up to it. So let's get doing that. So there's the top of your carburetor. There's your choke, just like on a car. There's your float. And down here, I don't know if you can see that on camera, but I mean, there's a little bit of junk in there. Yeah, it's pretty dirty. That main jet might be clogged up, but up towards the front of the tractor, that middle hole, we can crank it over and fuel should come out of it. So let's see that real quick. I did not think about that. But you can see fuel came up. So that fuel pump is good. Just probably got to clean out the carburetor and see what we got. I don't have a rebuild kit, so we'll see. Well, this is a guy's first mower, so I don't have the parts like I do other stuff. All the small engine shops are closed because of this storm coming through, so we'll have to order something, and next time you see me, it'll be a week from now, a couple days, who knows, but for you, it's instant, so who really cares? Fast forward a couple days, get that movie magic going. Called up small engine guy here, local to me, just up the road a piece, and yeah, he's gonna take a look. I'm gonna see if he wants his face on the films, and let's load this baby up. In case you guys didn't know, it's an industry standard that if the trailer is enclosed on all four sides, you don't use a ratchet strap. Just give her an old pat. That's not going anywhere. Well, we finally got it back. Josh got it up and running for us. Let me show you what he did. Put a brand new carburetor on it. Good old Chinese knockoff, because you know American ones are too expensive. Gave us new spark plugs, even though I didn't think we needed them, but you know, whatever. NGKs, so now it's definitely a race mower, and he put a new carburetor on it. Also, we don't have to use our custom battery clamps anymore. And all you do, there you go, buddy. Let the fun begin. All right, we got it back, man. We just gotta get started on this thing. It's gonna be a lot of fun. Right now we go about 5 miles an hour, full tilt. We're gonna put a foot pedal on it, bypass that governor because no one likes the goddamn law around here. We're lawbreakers. And yeah, it's gonna be good. Looking to getting a smaller pulley on the transmission. It's gonna be fun. Stay tuned, guys. Get them revs.